Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I visited the ongoing construction of the specialist hospital in Fegge, Onitsha, Anambra State. So before now, there has been ongoing construction of the same specialist hospital around the Okboko side, so which I did not visit even when the project started and when it was completed and even commissioned. So I wasn't able to visit that particular site. So this one I got the information and I say I must visit the location. So according to the videos and other things I've been watching online, the project started around me, and currently now the project is at a finishing level. So but the only problem I had when I visited the location is that when I get to this place, I saw that the camera was mounted there for surveillance or something, and I captured the one I could capture from outside. And when I went inside to capture the venue, I was stopped by somebody who claimed that the order is from above, that nobody is allowed to make a video. So I have no other choice. After much pleading and everything, they could not allow me to record, even though I've been seeing the videos online. People have been videoing and posting, so I don't know where they got when the order was given for people not to video, or because I look somehow, so I don't understand. So they could not allow me to video, but I was able to access the location and see everything by myself. I see everything for myself. The work is going on. It's not as small as I thought it might be. It's not big, but it's not so small like I thought. At least there is a small space for car parking, I think, and the building is somehow in L shape, which I believe can contain a lot. So the place is nice. So I witnessed the inside myself, but I could not capture the inside. So what I did is that I came outside and I captured from the outside. I captured in front of the gate and I capture all around the building, and the borehole is also there. Even overhead tank has been put in place. The work is just like is on a conclusion level. That's what I will say. Even though some section of the compound has not been touched, and a lot of work is still going on there, and some sections have been touched. So with time it will be completed. If the work can start in May and by now is at this level, it means maybe they may conclude the work before December, from what I'm seeing there so far. So everywhere, like all the outside, I think has been plastered, and the fencing is a little bit tall. The height is very okay for security reasons. It's very okay. Like I said earlier, the overhead tank is there already for water and the other thing. So where this particular hospital, specialist hospital, is located, because I got the address from Younger channel, and I used my Google map to trace that particular place. So where I followed to access there is I stopped at Head Bridge, then followed Port Harcourt Road, by Old Keystone Bank, which is not already existing there. So I followed that street down to Abagana Street, then get to Palmer Street. The hospital is located at Palmer Street, but for more easier access, you can as well access that place from the same Port Harcourt Road after Fidelity Bank and other things there. Then the next junction after Fidelity Bank, you just enter there, move down straight down to Abagana Street, then move straight as if you are going somewhere around there, within that Abagana Street. Just go straight and be asking people where Palmer Street is not hidden. The fencing is the back of the fence is at the Abagana Street, while the front gate is at Palmer Street side. So that is how the hospital is. From the view I saw by myself, that they do not allow me to capture with video. What I saw there is quite okay. It's quite eye-catching. It's nice until the work is complete. Maybe they will allow me, common man like me, to access to make a video. So I could not get access to get inside. So the what you are watching in this video is what I was able to capture from the outside. And though I did not see major personnel there that stopped me, just a normal individual who says the order is from above or whatever that is not allowed to video. That's all. But the only thing I saw there is that they have surveillance camera, which I think is for security reason also that they put there. So guys, I'm really sorry. This is all I could capture. So as time goes on, I may also extend my, you know, my touring down to other should I say projects being handled by the current government of Anambra State. And another thing I want to chip inside this video, which I will also try to investigate, or if you know about it, kindly drop them if you have my comment section on this video. So somebody was telling me today that the amount of tax that the current governor is has been put in place for them is kind of too much. That around the Baka forest and elsewhere within Fegge Onitsha, that the house rent has been tripled due to the tax they are now charging landlord. That landlord people used to pay, I think, around 100,000 for 1 year or so for tax, but now they pay close to 800k. So I don't know how true is that. So if you get more information about it, kindly drop them via our comment section. I got information from somebody today. So this is all I could capture from this ongoing project or specialist hospital in Fegge Onitsha. So when the project is finally completed, I may go back to also capture. Maybe by then they will allow me, because I see the videos online. That means people are being allowed to video. So I don't know why my own case will be different. So I believe maybe when it's completed, I'll be allowed to make my own video. So for what I just said now, if you know about it, kindly drop the comment via our comment section. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the like button and click on the share button to get to wide audience. Thank you for watching, guys. Till we're meeting again in our next video.